Today we will learn about positive and negative numbers. What is meant by positive number and what is meant by negative numbers you already learned in previous video. Okay, in this video we will take practical implementation of positive and negative number in the form of arithmetic operations. Okay, so here is one number line. This is a line. Okay, line means what? We can extend it on both sides. Okay, on this number line some numbers are situated. Okay, and at the center of this line there is a 0. Okay, which is the center of this line, and on the right hand side of this 0 there are positive numbers, and on the left hand side of this 0 there are negative numbers. Okay, so in this way we can situate negative, 0 and positive number on this number line. Okay, now we will discuss about arithmetic operations for positive and negative numbers. Okay, now we will take addition of positive and negative number according to the rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 and rule 4. Okay, which you learned in a previous video. So we will take pair of two numbers. Here I am taking 9 and 5, these two numbers. Okay, one by one we have to take this rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 and rule 4 for these two numbers. Okay, so according to the first rule both numbers are positive. Now we have to take these both numbers as a positive number. Okay, means plus 9 and plus 5, and we have to do the addition of both numbers. Okay, now what will happen? Both numbers having same sign, then according to the rule we have to do addition of both number. Okay, there is no change in sign. So what will get? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example according to the rule first, when both numbers are positive. Now for rule second, first number is positive and second number is negative, and then we have to add them together. So first number is plus 9 means positive 9, and second number is 5, that is negative 5. According to the rule we have to take second number negative. Then what will happen? Then this plus minus sign become minus, means this sign get changed because of this negative 5, and here 9 minus 5 will come and answer will be 4. So in this way, according to the rule second, addition becomes subtraction here. Okay, and the resultant answer is 4, and this answer has positive signs because the biggest number have positive sign. Now in the according to the third rule we have to take first number negative and second number positive, so that we will write here negative 9 plus positive 5. Okay, in this case what will happen? This negative 9 remains as it is, and this plus plus, there is no change in sign, it will remain as it is, plus 5. Okay, but here minus sign is there and here plus sign is there. Both signs are opposite to each other. That's why we have to subtract this 5 from 9, and the answer will be 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and sign will be negative because of the sign of biggest number, which is 9. So in this way, according to the rule third, the answer will be minus 4, negative 4. Now we will talk about rule number 4, that is both numbers are negative. When both numbers are negative, then that time what will happen, that we have to learn now. Negative 9 when added to negative 5, then according to the rule there is no change in sign. Both this addition sign remains as it is. This minus 9, negative 9 plus negative 5, it remains as it is, only we have to add them together. Means what? 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14, but sign will remain negative because both the numbers have negative sign. Okay, that's why we have to give sign negative to the resultant number. Okay, in this way rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4 is applicable for any kind of number which is given here. Okay, if both numbers are positive, if both numbers are negative, if one number is positive and second number is negative, when first number is negative and second number is positive, then in this way we have to solve each and every pair of numbers. So according to the first rule, both numbers are positive. Positive 9 subtract positive 5. Okay, both are positive. In this case, we have to do the normal subtraction. Okay, means this positive 9 means what? Simply 9 we can write here. Minus, this minus plus become minus because this plus 5 can be written in the form of simply 5. Okay, we have to do the normal subtraction here. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. In this way, according to the first rule, when both numbers are positive, we have to solve like this. Okay, now we will solve for rule number 2. First number is positive, means 9 is positive, and second number 5 is negative. We have to take subtraction here. Okay, so what will happen? This plus 9 means what? Simply 9. Okay, and now this minus sign when come outside, then this minus minus becomes plus here. Means when first number is positive and second number is negative, then there is a change in sign, okay, of subtraction. So this 5 will remains as it is 5. Okay, then we have to do the normal addition here. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, and sign will remain as it is, sign of biggest number. Here 9 possess plus sign, so that this 14 possess plus sign, plus 14 or simply 14. Okay, in this way we can write this. Now go for rule number 3. In this case, first number is negative and second number is positive, so that we have to take this 9 as a negative 9 and this second number 5 as a positive 5. So what will happen here? This negative 9 will remain as it is, negative 9. This minus plus becomes minus here because both signs are different. Then we have to take subtraction here, and this 5 remains as it is. Okay, so what will happen? Both signs are same, minus minus is there, so that we have to do the addition of both numbers. 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14, and both this biggest number contains negative sign, that's why the resultant number contain minus sign. So in this way we have to solve this rule. According to this rule, these two kinds of number. Now for rule number 4, we have to take both numbers negative. Okay, so negative 9 subtraction is there and negative 5. Okay, so what will happen? This negative 9 remains as it is. This sign when come out of this bracket, then this minus minus becomes plus here, and this 5 remains as it is. Okay, now both signs are different from each other, that's why we have to do subtraction here. Okay, so minus 9 plus 5 means what? We have to subtract this 5 from 9. Then 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and we have to give negative sign here because biggest number contains negative sign, so that the resultant number will get negative sign. So in this way we have to solve for subtraction.